Kelsey here, and today I'm so excited to share with you an awesome Disney shopping haul. So if you're a Disney fan out there, this video is for you. Hi guys, Kelsey here, and today I'm back with another Disney shopping haul. And Shop Disney was super awesome and sent all of these items for their new launch of a new Disney Eats collection that's only available on Shop Disney. And I literally, I wasn't expecting the box to come, and it came to the door this morning, and I literally ripped it open and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have to share this right away because it is all so dang cute. So I'm super excited to share all these fun new items with you. One, because I've started cooking a lot more, and now I feel like I have a reason to want to cook more because everything's really cute. And the thing that I love about it is not only are all the items really cute, they're actually really cost effective. One of the first items that Shop Disney sent was these really cute baking spatulas, and I love in it that it has a big one and a little one. The whole collection is all kind of based around, obviously Mickey, but spending time together in the kitchen as a family. And so I think it's so cute that they made a lot of things in smaller sizes as well, so you could be baking or cooking in the kitchen together. But anyways, I thought these were so darling, and I can't wait to use them. And these were $12.95. The next thing I got was these really cute bag clips. I actually already busted into them because I was so excited to open them up. But I love it because each clip has a different Mickey face on it, and they work super well. And the cool thing is they're only $4.95. So they're just a really cute, cost-effective Mickey Mouse item that is so darling. The next thing is this cute kitchen timer, and I've actually been looking for a timer, so when I opened it I was like, you gotta be kidding me, this is so awesome. But I was so excited because I do morning meditation and I don't like to have my phone timer with me, so I've been wanting something that wasn't connected to the internet. This is it, and it doesn't get much cuter than Mickey, so this will be super fun. This kitchen timer is $12.95. The next thing is this super cute cup that you can put, a thermos that you can either put soups or hot chocolate. The cute thing is it comes with this little spork, so if you want to put soup in it, you have the convenience of a little tool to eat with you. But I thought this was just so darling, and I love that it says hi. That is one of the things I say to everyone. Hi, 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 hi. So Mickey, I must have got that from Mickey as a kid without even knowing it. But this insulated jar is $16.95, and it's super cute, but it has a really good texture and just feels really good quality. The next item are these darling rolling pins, and once again it has the small size and the big size, which is super fun and cute, but they're a really nice rubber texture, which I love. I feel it's actually really hard to find a good rolling pin, and I've bought a couple that are kind of this rubber texture, and I've loved them. So I was like, good call, Disney, good call. But anyways, these are so cute, and you can see Mickey, but I love the idea of rolling and you see the labels, which is so fun. But this rolling set was $16.95, which is a really good price for rolling sets. So I'm excited to give these a try and let you guys know how it goes. And then the last thing they sent me was this really cute hand where you either put your spoon or ladle when you're cooking. I didn't see these on the Shop Disney site, but I know that you can get them at Disneyland, especially, or Walt Disney World. If you go to the Disney Home Store, I know they have these there. Well, I was just super pumped when I opened these items, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta share them. I love them so much. And I also wanted to share with you guys, if you haven't been on the Shop Disney website recently, they have 25% off literally everything today. If you use code DisneyPal, you can get 25% off your whole purchase. So I'll make sure to link all these products below. If you have any questions, let me know, but I want to know which was your favorite product that you saw. Comment below and I'll make sure to read it and comment back to you. Hope you have an awesome day.